It's been a tricky year in some respects for financials, hasn't it?
Yeah.
You know, they kick off earnings season. The stocks look pretty good going into that, and now they're pacing for the third negative week of the past four. You can maybe hang on some headlines that have come out, obviously, some of the social media posts and some of the planned executive orders or the like that has weighed on names here, some of the credit card ones for obvious reasons. Bryn, speaking of, your new buy is Capital One. What's in your wallet? It's Capital One, right?
Yeah.
All right. Well, this one is now.
It sure is. Yep. Yeah. So I actually took it was my final trade the day that President Trump announced that he would like to have 10% caps, and so I thought it was overdone. I've been listening to this call the last 3 quarters. Rich Fairbanks, the founder, CEO, love that. He's a total rock star. They did an acquisition that they announced today of this company called Brex that I wasn't familiar with, that really is on the enterprise side of putting together software, applications, all of this great stuff. I believe that Brex was valued around $12 billion back in 2022. They bought it for $5 billion. They are moving upscale to the consumer. They are moving into the enterprise, which Rich says this, the enterprise say going against American Express is a $2 trillion industry. Brex is really important. I think it's a great company. I'll be buying more Monday. Let's let it settle in here. But if you want to look at a financial that, and also they talked about retail. Auto loans are good. So all this Tricolor and First Brands last year that we're talking about, that autos are doing terrible, their auto book is actually doing quite well. Their consumers doing well. So I think this is an overreaction today. And probably we look at it in 2 months and it's filled this gap that it's lost today.
Do you just not believe this 10% cap is going to happen in any way, shape, or form?
Well, I mean, just listening to Rich, he didn't mince words. He said it would cause a recession. You are hearing other companies saying, well, we'll issue a $1,000 card with a 10% cap. So we'll see if it goes somewhere. But I don't think we're going to have across the board. It just doesn't make any sense in our economy that you're going to have across the board a 10% percentage point cap. But there's definitely a non-zero risk that would happen. But I'm gonna go with a great founder CEO that's making strong acquisitions. They closed the Discover acquisition already. So I just think this is a neat company to own, to buy on weakness right here.